Hello everyone, I Vidushi Daga welcome all of you to an interesting session on Heme Virtues by Hema Foundation. So dear friends, the topic for today is an important one on nature's love, which means compassion for nature. Compassion for nature and modern technology, when these two come together, they form an interesting mix in our lives. So today we will learn that if we all nurture our precious Mother Nature, and if we all become more compassionate towards Mother Nature, then how will our Mother Nature surprise all of us? So why don't we all be more compassionate towards nature so that we all can learn a new tool from technology, so that by doing this, we can take a step forward in our compassion for Mother Nature. So I thought, why don't we all learn about the powerful yoga today? Because yoga is very beautiful in nature. The art of yoga takes us even closer to Mother Nature. And when we practice meditation and pranayama on timely basis, it leads to a very blissful experience. So friends, let us learn how we all can make very beautiful and simple PowerPoint presentations, but for the love of Mother Nature. So let us start. First of all, on the screen of your laptop, look at the bottom left to locate the Start button. You will have to click on it. After you click on it, you will have to type PowerPoint. Then the presentation format opens in front of you. Okay? So friends, when you navigate here, you can either choose a blank presentation from the options, or you can even see several PowerPoint themes from the given options from which you can easily choose. So for example, in order to choose, could you see the options on this site called More Themes? Click on it. So after you click on More Themes, you will find several beautiful presentation layouts, as you can see here, which will pleasantly surprise you. For example, the themes you can see here have many different themes which you could easily use on different occasions. You can see all of them here. There are hundreds and thousands of them. So when you click on the back button over here, if you want to make a PowerPoint presentation for an educational purpose, then you can click on this side. So friends, in case you are a teacher or even a student in school or college, then you must click on these options. You will be able to see different types of education-based PowerPoint templates on this side. Okay, can you see the different types of PowerPoint presentation layouts that are there? Okay. Now, in case you are belonging to a different field, for example, assuming from business, and in case you wish to make charts or diagrams for a project, then you can click on any of these buttons for different options. I have clicked on business here, and once you click, you can see there are so many different types of layouts here which can make our presentations very beautiful, very engaging, and also very exciting to see them. Alright? Now let us choose a simple presentation to make on nature. So friends, first of all, I chose a blank presentation. Okay, now they have already provided several design ideas on this side. Okay, but I won't choose that right now. Firstly, I want to focus on completing my presentation as in the content part. Okay, for example, I have started entering my content on this side. For example, yoga for life. Okay. And here I write by Vidushi Daga. After I finish my heading here, you will see a tab called the Home tab. You will see different options on the Home tab, which we all would be learning today. So the first one is New Slide, which means there are 9 different layouts for making new slides here, and this is the title slide, which means if you want to add title and content on your slide, then this is the option. If you want to make a section header, for example, if you want to add a subheading in your slide, then you can use the section header option. In case you wish to show any kind of comparison, or if you want to compare 2 kinds of content, then you can use this option here. You can choose the title option if you want to add a title. Blank, as in you can add whatever you wish to, whether it is a text, whether it is a picture. You can add any of them on the slides. Content with caption, picture with caption is very simple. So let's say We start with title and content here, okay? So friends, I would like to type here our index, which means in the presentation that we would be making on yoga for life with respect to nature's love, which would focus on these areas, emphasizing the benefits of yoga. For example, we type like what is yoga, okay? Then history of yoga, and so on and so forth. Alright? So after I finish the index part, now next, I would like to show you the other useful features which could be used here. So my dear friends, let us learn how to add an image in a slide. This is very simple. You will have to go on the Insert tab. After you click on the picture there, when you go on this device, which means on your computer where the image is saved, you just need to click on it. And let's say we have saved the image on the desktop, okay? So quickly let me tell you, for example, if this is the image, then we need to click on the Insert button, okay? Now I can either enlarge the image or even reduce it the way I wish to do. Like you see it here, I can play with the image as you see it here on the screen. Alright, am I clear? I would like to teach you all the same features again. You need to go on the Insert tab, Pictures, from your computer, then locate where the image has been saved in your computer. So after you locate the image, you select the same image and then you paste the same image here. So this is how you insert the image and you may present it the way you wish to on the slide. Okay? So friends, we'll see how do we add text to this image on the slide. You might want to add some text here because it is a very plain image. Okay? Simple again. Go on Insert. There is a text box here. I hope everybody can see this. When you click on the text box here, you will select here on this side. You can write, for example, yoga is blissful. Okay? Getting us closer to nature. Alright? Okay? So after you write it, now if you want to change the font, you can increase or decrease the font like the way you want it, alright? Next, what you can also do is, you can even change the font color here. I want to change this to white in color. Simple, everybody? Okay. Now that I have finished adding my title, I have finished adding some, some kind of content, I have finished adding a picture, okay? Now what I wish to do is, how do I bring in the variation from one slide to another slide? How do I switch to another slide is what we need to learn. So this is very simple. You will go here, okay? Then you will click on Transition. So when you click on Transition, it will ask you if you want to show this kind of effect, okay? Then on Slide 2, do you want to show this kind of effect? Okay? On Slide 3, do you want to add the wind effect to show this impact? And on Slide 4, do you want to portray this kind of effect? Okay? So these are the different types of variations which you can use from the options available in Transition. So now let's go to the designing part of it. As you can see, it's looking very simple and plain and very boring. So friends, now we need to work on its designing here, right? So it is very simple. Let's go to the design. PowerPoint offers us a lot of designs which can be easily chosen, which are very beautiful. So let's choose a look that is closer to Mother Nature. You can see the different changes happening here. Okay? So this feather-based theme here is very beautiful. Okay? It is getting me closer to nature. As you can see that even the rest of the changes are done very easily. Right? So this is how even the designing could be done on the slides. So friends, let's recap on what all we have learned so far. We first went to the Home tab, then we made new slides. Then we went on to learn about the different types of slide layouts available here. We then went on the Insert tab. We learned how to insert a picture here, okay, which was already saved in one of the folders on our computer. After that, we learned how to add the text here. For example, how we added the text on this big image on the slide. This is very simple. right? And then we learned how to do transition. So when we move from one slide to another slide, then what are the possible transitions that could be added? We learned those features too. And last but not the least, we learned about designs. As to what are the different types of designs that we can choose from the options, so that your presentation looks even more beautiful and attractive. Okay? So now I would like to teach you another feature, which is called the insert feature, which means what all could be added on your slides, as in how you could add a video you like, or even an audio on the slide. The way I added an image on the slide, the same way I can even add a video on the slide in my presentation. And in the same way, if you wish to add background music to the PowerPoint presentation, you can even wish to do that, okay? So now we need to see is, how does our overall presentation look like, okay? But I also want to figure out that when I move from one slide to another slide, then it should have an impressive sound in the background, okay? So when I added the transition element from here, so what I can do is, for example, I can add the drum roll sound here, okay? Then when I go on this side, what I do, for example, I click on, I add the bomb sound here. When I go on this part, then I add the applause sign over here. Then for the next slide, I add the typewriter sound over here. So this is how we can add different types of sounds on every slide. When you click on the slideshow button from the beginning, this is slide 1, okay, which is a title slide. So this was the bomb sound on slide 2. Did you notice the effect of the animations on each slide? So what did you see on this slide? That we have added the title and content on this slide. The next slide, I hope you have noticed that we have added an image over here, okay? Now slide 4. This was a small sound effect of the typewriter in order to show the impact of the animation feature on this slide, okay? So this is how you make the PowerPoint presentation. There is one last thing that I would want you to learn, but before that we need to save the presentation, and this is very simple. So in animation, when we click on this image, okay, can you see the option on animation? So animation means how do you want the image to appear on the slide, okay? In short, it adds to the appeal of the images on the slides. As in, I meant how does the content appear on the slides, okay? So this is called the animation feature, where there are different types of animations in PPT, and it is very interesting to try each of these features in PPT. Now let us learn how to save the presentation file. So the moment I finish my presentation on Yoga for Life, I will go to File, Save As. Now it asks me in which drawer do I want to save the file in. So let us say I want to save the file on my desktop, okay? I want to save on the desktop of my computer. After that, you will have to name the file. For example, Yoga for Life, which is the name of your PowerPoint presentation. So my dear friends, after you name the file, you will have to click on the button Save As. So now you can see that the PowerPoint has been saved over here. So whenever you need the presentation, you can open and access your file. As you can see it on the main screen of your computer, the file is called Yoga for Life. You can click and open it, and then you can choose to show to whoever you want. Always remember to show it on slideshow mode, and then from... Okay everybody, so thank you so much. It was wonderful to be here, and make sure that you all learn and get closer to nature. It is very important that you come closer to nature, be even more compassionate towards Mother Nature, and nurture it forever. So please always remember to be safe. Thank you and goodbye.